Mix Chana Lobia salad. Let's get started. Add in the following ingredients: cucumber, tomato, onion, capsicum, chickpeas, boiled pasta, kidney beans, olives. Squeeze in lemon juice. Mix very well till combined. Look at the beautiful colors. Add imli ginger sauce. Then add chili garlic sauce. Mix well again. Add black pepper, chaat masala, and salt. Give it a final mix. Perfect! Now you can plate it out. Use any bowl you like. Fill it up. Decorate with cucumber slices. Looking so beautiful. Quick and easy to make. Perfect for a gathering. Hope you enjoyed it. Full recipe in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.